This video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site newsjadoze.com. This is a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you watch some video. But if you mistakenly click on that allow button, the browser would be hijacked with many annoying ads. If you don't want to see those ads, get your browser fixed. So access the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, then go down to site settings and check this permissions area. If you see any junk sites in the notifications section, get rid of them. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections which could still possibly stealthily remain on your Windows computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.